dun sa mga pasang ganon.
Mako with his 4th point. Wico setting up Tang off the glass for 2.
And for that, they're passing back. Asking for the puck.
Sizzling assist of the game brought to us by Jerry's Grill. You'd still rather be at Jerry's. Coming from Laban. This is Omaga to Danganan. Antonio na naman, this time making sure.
Help for Medwin Antonio in that situation.
Sizzling assist of the game muna tayo. Brought to us by Jerry's Grill. You'd still rather be at Jerry's.
Pulls it out, throws it away almost. De Helo, bounce pass underneath. Tipar finally getting his bearings.
They have to settle down a little bit because every time they commit a turnover, good things happen for UB Brahmans kasi tatakbo lang ng tatakbo.
This is our Jerry's sizzling assist of the game. You'd still rather be at Jerry's. Keeps it away to James Torato. Torato bounce pass De Helo, no look. Atienza will lean in and score.
And again, if you let UB
This is our Jerry's sizzling assist of the game. You would still rather be at Jerry's. What a pretty play coming from the jumped out of my seat if that happened. Now it's Pronda who wants it at the middle. Katayong left all alone on the baseline.
And Alan Vergara is also one guy that needs to be aggressive, but that was that dunk attempt by Brian Manuel, but Katayong was there to stop that.
Sapal pala yun, no? But here we see our Jerry's sizzling assist of the game. Pointer no good. Oh, what a pass inside. Vergara to Brian Manuel. Galing dito kay Alan Vergara. That is why this is our Jerry's sizzling assist of the game. You would still rather be at Jerry's. Wow. Siya naman ang ginugulo doon sa kanan. Ipaing Berhes. Nice pass by Torato to JP Tivar. And Renzo, certainly a good sequence para sa kanila. Let's take a look at this Jerry's sizzling assist of the game.
Yeah, very ganda